here is the brand new Festool KHC18 SDS Drill. I'm joined by the fantastic Gordon from Festool.
Thank you.
Now I do have a question for you.
You do?
Okay, we've gotten hands-on with the previous SDS Drill from Festool, the BHC18. What is different with this model?
It has more power and it has the addition of rotation stop or chisel function. So basically, where the BHC was purely a drill, this is a rotary drill for drilling anything wood, metal, a hammer drill for concrete masonry, and then finally a chisel. So for chasing out walls, removing plaster, removing tiles off the floor, it does all that kind of work. Anything to do with a fit out. So every trade it fits.
So I'm assuming both of those things kind of go hand in hand. Of course, you've now got 3 modes, but you've also got that increase in power.
Yep.
I'm assuming you've got more impact energy to kind of be able to keep up with the chiseling.
We have 2.6 joules of energy, so more than enough for a fitting out job. So if you're a plumber and you're chasing out some pipes in a wall, or electrician, if you're a floorer and you're taking up old floor tiles, fantastic for that.
Well, I was going to say 2.6 joules of impact energy, and that's off of the one 18-volt battery.
One 18-volt battery, yeah.
But I'm assuming with that as well, you know, you're going to need a very efficient motor in there. Brushless?
Absolutely brushless, which also gives us the function of kickbackstop. So you won't get a real reaction when you're drilling.
Really, really impressive. Now, you may have heard kickback protection as a thing, you know, with other brands and other tools, but Festool's is very, very unique in that the tool, as soon as it detects too much kickback, tool just shuts off completely, right?
You'll hear a beep and it'll stop, and basically what happens, it just protects your wrist, because obviously you're drilling into metal or something that's binding like timber with a big drill bit. You do get that reaction on your wrist. That cuts it out. You've got damping here as well. Of course, you've got the side handle. The machine also comes with 2 chucks, so you've got your SDS chuck and you've got your steel.
Typical Festool fashion.
You need everything to use with this tool.
Now, you know, when you kind of go into more of your chiseling work, dust extraction is going to be pretty important, right?
Well, as you know, dust extraction is absolutely fundamental to everything that Festool do, and there is an accessory available that retrofits this and the BHC drill as well.
I believe we've got here.
We've got it here. Here you go, guys. And on this stop, you've got 2 positions for the bars. You can position it for either the BHC or the KHC, so it does both. It's a great accessory. Makes a real difference as well.
Fantastic stuff. So you can check out the brand new Festool KHC18 SDS Drill now at its.co.uk.